First, log into your Facebook account using a web browser on your computer. While you can initiate this process on mobile, the desktop interface offers a clearer pathway. Once logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow or your profile picture. Click on this to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This option expands to reveal more account management choices. Within the Settings and Privacy submenu, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. Now, look at the left-hand navigation bar. Find and click on your Facebook information. This section deals with your data and account management. On the Your Facebook Information page, you'll see several options. Locate and click on Deactivation and Deletion. This is where you'll choose to permanently remove your account. You'll be presented with two options: Deactivate Account or Permanently Delete Account. Ensure Permanently Delete Account is selected. Then click Continue to Account Deletion. Facebook will then ask for your password. To confirm your identity, enter your password. Then click Delete Account one last time. Remember, you have a 30-day grace period to log back in and cancel the deletion process. If you change your mind after 30 days, your account and all its data will be permanently gone.